Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Microsoft/Xbox account is signed in and ready. This links the key to you. Once signed in, make sure the console has a stable internet connection and at least a little free storage. Now press the Xbox button to open the guide, choose Store, then Redeem. Type the 25-character CD key exactly, using hyphens where shown. Once entered, submit the code and wait for the confirmation message before moving on to downloading or installing content. You need to focus while typing. Letters versus numbers can cause immediate failure, so double-check O versus 0 and I versus 1. Once you submit, the system verifies region and product type. If the key is region-locked, it won't apply to your account unless region matches. If you bought a key from a reseller, check the order confirmation email and the seller's instructions. Sometimes you must redeem on the WebVire account. Microsoft.com before the Xbox will accept it. Once verified, the purchase ties to your account automatically. Once the key is accepted, begin the download immediately from My Games and Apps and monitor progress. Make sure you sign in with the same account that redeemed the code so licenses match. If the content doesn't appear, check storage and cancel/restart the download. If you still have issues, power cycle the console by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds, then sign back in and retry. That clears cache and resolves most redeem or license sync failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.